Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. So I have been getting a lot of phone calls and emails from my friends on YouTube asking what's going on, where have I been, what I've been doing since the after the New Year and Christmas holiday and everything else. Hair's getting a little bit long, but it's still gray. So what I have been doing is basically taking care of my parents. My father goes in for dialysis 3 times a week, and it's like 4 hours at a time. My mother's been having some issues as well, so I've been helping them out and making sure that they have everything they need and that they're taken care of. So one of the things that I ended up having to take care of was making it to where they're able to go up and down the stairs. And so I ended up doing this for them. Yep, that's a stair lift. What's cool is they should put light strips or have a light strip kit to do what I did, because at night it's really dark over here. Even when I turn the hall lights on upstairs, there's no light here at all. And yeah, so at night, in case I have to run down the stairs for something, at least I could see and I won't run into this damn rail or the chair. But yeah, they should make a light kit for this. So what I did is I got an LED strip. This is a 16 footer, cut about 2 feet off of it, and ran the wires. There's the transformer for it. Ran the wires underneath the carpet. And I have them in the basement going through the floor. So yeah, that is what I have been doing. And I am pretty beat. I mean, I've been tired. You can see my eyes. They're like, I need to get some more sleep. And because of the puppy over here, and right here, you can see he's getting some rest and sleeping so he could be up all night barking again. And yeah, so it's been kind of rough. We haven't had, like, all the snow's gone. The weather is kind of warmed up quite a bit out here, but you can see those clouds back there. We got some shit coming tonight into tomorrow, which would be Saturday, and possibly about maybe 2 inches of snow on the ground. Maybe, who knows? I don't know what's going to happen, but it's the city, Chicago. The weather is kind of iffy. Oh, and I also picked up one of those for my father for exercising his legs and stuff. The dialysis my father, or sending my father to, has been really helping keeping him out of the hospital. And one of the things that is making him go to the hospital is his heart's not pumping the way that it should be pumping, getting the blood flowing through his veins and arteries and stuff to where it is pushing through his kidneys and getting rid of whatever water that would be considered waste, and then pissing it out. By every time you drink 2 cups of coffee and you piss out 6, however that works out. But he's been having some issues where the water is retaining inside of him because his heart's not pumping correctly. And when your heart's not pumping at whatever capacity that it's supposed to be pumping at, or percentage, which right now I think they said he's at like 15% as far as his heart function goes. He's got a pacemaker with a defibrillator in it. So far it hasn't really kicked in for the defibrillator, but it's pacing his heart and keeping his heart going. And he's like almost 100% dependent on that. And my mother, well, she's got some breathing issues. My mother has got that COPD thing going on, and smoking didn't help. But her problem is that chemicals from basically like doing hair and stuff like that. She had her own beauty shop years ago, had it for about, I think, 15 years or so. And a lot of the chemicals that they use for hair did a number on her lungs. And in doing so, she's got COPD, she's got some other breathing problems. And, my mother is like not even 100 pounds soaking wet. So she's very frail. One of the things that is very hard for her to do is to quit smoking, which would help her a lot with her breathing problems. But she also has a pacemaker now with a defibrillator in it as well. And, health-wise, I'm looking at maybe not a very long time of, still having my parents around. But, I look forward to helping them as much as I possibly can while I have them here. So to me, family is very important, and it's one of the things that has always been important to me is my family, taking care of who I have to take care of and how I have to take care of them. And it's one thing that us Italians, basically, family means a lot, and family is everything. So that's what I've been doing, and it's been kind of rough because I have other projects and stuff that I need to complete, which the Will Galvin Orion guitar is still being worked on, not as fast as I want it to go through, but it's still being worked on. And I got kind of like, get my other arms getting tired. I kind of have a little surprise that I did with the neck. Did some inlay work on it, and I can't show it because it's going to give it away as far as who the guitar is being done for. So I cannot show any of that. And somebody decided to wake up. Harley. Psst. Harley. Where are you going? You're not going to go to sleep? It's around dinner time, so he's probably looking for food. All right, guys, you guys take it easy. Have a good one. I will catch up with you all later, and I will start showing some more of the Galvin guitar. But like I said, I can't really show the neck because of the inlay work that I did. Harley, turn around. Nobody wants to see your ass. Hey, psst. Harley. Harley. There you go. Stretch out. Yeah, you are laying up on the chair and all nice and cozy, so relaxing, stretch out your body, get those muscles going. Yeah. Well, my dog doesn't howl or anything. He barks a lot, but that's about it. But other than that, getting old. But like I said, with the Will Galvin Orion guitar, I can't show that neck because if I show the neck, it is going to give away or who the guitar is for. And I don't want to do that. So you guys take it easy again, and I'll catch up with you all later.